Again I am repeating children, left side of the body is, heart is consisting of pure blood only. Pure blood means oxygenated blood. Okay, so left auricle is giving that pure blood or oxygenated blood to left ventricle, and left ventricle is pumping that pure blood to all the body parts through some blood vessels. Okay, this is the structure of heart. Once again I am repeating, listen carefully. Heart is a pumping organ made up of muscles. Okay, and one septum is present in the heart. That septum is also called wall-like structure, children. Muscular wall only. It is also made up of muscle only. And this septum is dividing the heart into two parts. Those are left part, right part. And between this left part and right part, some valve-like structures are again dividing the heart into upper, horizontally, this side, this side, this side, this side. Okay, 4 chambers. So total how many chambers are there in our heart? 4 chambers are there. So what are those? Those 4 chambers are named as upper chambers are called as auricles or atria, and the lower parts are called as, or lower chambers are called as ventricles, children. Left auricle, left ventricle, right auricle, right ventricle. Okay, so always the left side of the heart is consisting of pure blood. Pure blood means oxygen rich blood or oxygenated blood. Pure blood means oxygenated blood. Means what percentage is more in this blood, children? Oxygen percentage is more. Okay, and right side of the heart is consisting of deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means impure blood, means carbon dioxide rich blood, children. So the body parts are giving deoxygenated blood, and these some type of vessels are there. Those vessels are collecting this deoxygenated blood and from the body parts and giving to which part of the heart? Right auricle. And right auricle is pumping that impure blood to the right ventricle. Right ventricle is pumping that blood to lungs, children, for purification. That process is known as oxygenation, children. In lungs, what gas is present? Oxygen gas is present. This oxygen, this impure blood is combining with the oxygen gas and gets purified. That is called as oxygenation. After that, this pure blood will be again collected by the blood vessels and sending into the left side of the heart. Means the left auricle will get the pure blood or oxygenated blood. Whenever this left auricle is completely filled with the pure blood, this left auricle is pumping that pure blood to left ventricle. Okay, after completion of that filling of this left ventricle with the pure blood, this left ventricle is pumping the pure blood to the body parts again through the blood vessels. This is called as circulation of blood, children. About this you will learn more in your higher classes. Okay, draw this diagram. It is very important.